everyone, this is Kalpana here. In this video, we are going to see a problem from mensuration. So let's get started. Problem. A tent is in the shape of a right circular cylinder surmounted by a cone. The total height and the diameter of the base are 13.5 meter and 28 meter. If the height of the cylindrical portion is 3 meter, find the total surface area of the tent. Solution. Given a tent is in the shape of a right circular cylinder surmounted by a cone. Okay? We are given a tent which is in the shape of a right circular cylinder, surmounted by a cone. Okay, fine. And we are given the total height. The total height of the tent is 13.5 meter. The total height of the tent is 13.5 meter. And the diameter of the base. The diameter of the base is 28 meter. Okay, diameter of the base is 28 meter. That is, we are given diameter D equals to 28 meter. We know that diameter is 2 times the radius. Then you can write it as 2r equals to 28 meter. From this we'll get r, radius. R equals to 28 meter by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. So this equals to 14 meter. So we have radius r equals to 14 meter. And also given the height of the cylindrical portion is 3 meter. Also given the height of the cylindrical portion is 3 meter. Okay? We are also given the height of the cylindrical portion is 3 meter. Fine. So here we are asked to find the total surface area of the tent. The total surface area of the tent. We know that the curved surface area of the cone is given by pi RL square units, and the curved surface area of the cylinder is given by 2 pi RH square units. Then total surface area of the tent will be pi RL square units plus 2 pi RH square units. We know that the curved surface area of a cone is given by pi RL square units, and the curved surface area of a cylinder is given by 2 pi RH square units. Okay. So here we are asked to find the total surface area of the tent. Fine. The total surface area of the tent is equals to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. Since cone is surmounted on cylinder, right? So this equals to, we have CSA of cone is pi RL square units plus CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH square units. Okay, fine. So what are the values we need to find total surface area of the tent? We need R and slant height of cone. We are having R, right? R of a cone is 14 meter, but we need to find L from cone, and coming to cylinder you have R equals to 14 meter and you're also having H. Okay, so it's enough to find L of cone. Let's consider conical portion. I'll consider cone. In this we have R equals to 14 meter and we need to find L. So how we can find L? By using height and radius. Okay, firstly we have to find height of the cone. So height of the cone equals to total height of the tent minus height of the cylinder. In order to find L, we need H. Height of the cone equals to height of the tent minus height of the cylinder. So this is equals to height of the tent is 13.5 meter minus height of the cylinder is 3 meter. 13.5 meter minus 3 meter is equals to 10.5 meter. So the height of the cone is 10.5 meter. Height of the cone is 10.5 meter. Okay, fine. Now we can find L. We consider a right angle triangle L, R and H. For H equals to 10.5 meter, R equals to 14 meter. We know that L square equals to by Pythagoras Theorem. We have L square equals to R square plus H square. Pythagoras. Fine. So from this we'll get L square equals to, now substitute the values of R and H. R equals to 14 meter whole square plus H 10.5 meter whole square, right? 14 meters square equals to 14 meter into 14 meter, 14 square meter square. 14 square is 14 into 14. 4 fours are 16. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 fours are 4. 1 ones are 1. 196. So this equals to 196 meter square plus 10.5 meter square. 10.5 meter whole square can be written as 10.5 meter into 10.5 meter. This equals to 10.5 whole square into meter square. Ten point five into 10.5. 5 5 is 25. 5 0. 5 ones are 5. 0 0 0. 1 5 is a 5. 1 0 0. 1 1 is 1. 5 2 10. 110.25 is equals to 110.25 meter square. Okay. (196 meters square plus 110.25 meters square is 306.25 meters square. So this equals to 306.25 meter square. Okay. So we have L square is equals to 306.25 meter square. Then L equals to square root of 306.25 meter square. Again you can write it as square root of 306.25 into square root of meter square is equals to square root of 306.25 meter. Okay. Again, let's find square root of 306.25. Square root of 306.25. Okay, we have L equals to square root of 306.25 meter square, right? Fine. Take the number 306.25. We can write in terms of fraction. Okay. Now let's find prime factors of 30,625 using prime factorization method. 30,625. You're having 25 as your last two digit. So use 5 table. 5 6 are 30. 5 ones are 5. 1 2 12. 5 2s are 10. 5 5 is 25. Again use 5 table since you're having 25 as your last digit or last two digits. 5 ones are 5. 1 1. 5 2s are 10. 1 2. 5 2s are 10. 2 5. 5 5 is 25. Again you're having 25, so use 5 table. 5 2s are 10. 10. 2 2. 5 4 is 20. Again 2 5. 5 5 is 25. Again use 5 table. 5 4 is 20. 4 5. 5 9s are 45. Now use 7 table. 7 7s are 49. So 30,625 can be written as 5 square into 5 square into 7 square. And 100 can be written as 10 square. Okay. So now square root of 306.25 is equals to square root of 30,625 by 100. Again you can write it as square root of 30,625 by square root of 100, which is equals to square root of 5 square into 5 square into 7 square by square root of, you can write this 100 as 10 square. This becomes 5 into 5 into 7 by 10. 5 5 is 25. 25 into 7 by 10. 25 into 7 is 7 5 is 35. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. Equals to 175 by 10, which is equals to 17.5. Okay. So L equals to 17.5 into M. Okay. See here, we got L square equals to 306.25 meter square. From this we got L equals to square root of 306.25 meter square, which is equals to square root of 306.25 into square root of M square equals to 17.5 into M. Therefore, L equals to 17.5 M. Okay. Fine. So now we can find the total surface area of the tent. So this equals to conical portion. We need the values of R and L, right? From cone, R equals to 14 meter and L equals to 17.5 meter. Now coming to cylindrical portion. We need the values of R and H. R is common for both conical and cylindrical portion, but H varies. So you have height of the cylinder is 3 meter. Alright. Take pi 22/7 into R, 14 meter into L, 17.5 meter plus 2 into take pi 22/7 into R, 14 meter into H, 3 meter. Height of the cylinder, right? Fine. So this is equals to 7 ones are 7 twos are 14, 7 ones are 7 twos are 40. 2 into 22 is 44 into 17.5 into meter square plus 2 into 22, 44 into 2 threes are 6 into meter square. This is equals to 44 into, we can write this decimal in terms of fraction, 175/10 into meter square plus 44 into 6 into meter square. 44 into 175. 4 5s 20, 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 2, 30. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7,700. So this equals to 7,700 by 10 meter square plus 44 into 6, 6 4s 24, 6 4s 24, 24 plus 2, 26, 264 meter square is equals to 770 meter square plus 264 meter square. 770 plus 264 meter square is 4, 13, 8 plus 2, 10. So this equals to 1034 meters square. Therefore, the total surface area of the tent is 1034 meters square. So this is all for now. Hope you will understand. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.